Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. On this day, I jumped headfirst into this playroom and decided to give it a really good mom clean. And if you don't know what that is, that's basically when your kids clean, they just kind of stuff things everywhere and there's no rhyme or reason to it. And then when moms get into bedrooms, playrooms, whatnot to clean, they go through, throw the broken toys away, throw all the bits and pieces in the garbage if they don't go to anything anymore, or they organize everything. So this room really needed a really good mom clean. I did go through and pull out all of their toys that they needed to go ahead and donate, that they were no longer playing with. About this time of year is when we usually do that, so that they can get a nice clean fresh start with Christmas right around the corner. Not to mention, it's always a nice gesture to go ahead and donate toys that you're no longer using or playing with, so that some other little kid can enjoy a brand new toy. So I started in here by taking all of these black bins, dumping them out, and going through everything one by one and putting it back in there in really no rhyme or reason, just kind of creating two bins with nothing but toys in them, like smaller toys. And then getting rid of all of the broken pieces and all of the toys that the kids no longer play with.
But feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
If y'all are enjoying my videos, please go ahead and leave a like and a comment down below. It really does help my channel, and we are on the path of growth here. So also feel free to share my channel with anybody you think might be interested in some motivational cleaning, or could really use the motivation just to get up and get out there and get it done. Because I know that in the beginning, that's what really got me motivated, was just watching somebody else clean their house and me saying to myself, I want that for me. I want my house to be clean. So it really just, it helped me mentally get physically ready, if that makes sense. So by all means, share my channel, share my videos with anybody who you think would benefit. And if you're not subscribed already, it is completely and 100% free. As long as you have a Google account or you have signed up through Google for something or other, you will be able to hit that subscribe button. And like I said, 100% free. And it also helps YouTube curate videos for you to watch and recommend videos that you would enjoy.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of a stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see?
So that was a lot, and I know it probably looks a little worse than it when it started. But I promise there's a method to my madness. So we have all of the dress-up clothes over here, all of the Legos, which honestly the kids play with these more than any of these toys. So having only two bins of random toys, I'm okay with, because I emptied out one of these. And honestly, all of this stuff up here, these need to go in a closet. That one's actually our neighbor's. All of this stuff up here can actually go into these 2 bins. So I'm okay with having 2 bins of random toys and then 1 bin of entirely Legos. So I'm going to tackle this tower now. There are, what do we have in here? We have Hot Wheels tracks, which I'm gonna go through, get rid of anything that's broken. Honestly, the boys don't even set up tracks. They just set up really long runs through this area. So that's all I really care about, is just getting them to connect. And honestly, those things can be bought at the dollar store. There are train tracks in here, which I'm gonna get rid of. I'm gonna keep the wooden ones because those were my brother's, so they have kind of a sentimental value, and the boys actually do play with those still. Down here are these, it's really hard to see, I'm sorry. These light up tracks, or these connecting tracks. And then what's down here? Oh look, more crap, more games. So those will actually fit into this bin, and this is all gonna be board games. And in an upcoming video, you will watch me clean out a closet that when me and my brother were growing up, it was our board game closet and it hasn't been touched since. So we're going to get into that in a later video. Right now we're focusing on the playroom. So far so good. I'm feeling very productive. So I'm going to keep going.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this page. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't let. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, forget I'm made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe
save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the rain. Am I the only one? 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 Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? Had me down for the count. I was on 9-9 all the time. Shattered soul, you took control, but now I'm gone. Bye bye, bring the fire. You took something beautiful and made it something cruel. It's all that I get from you. You're so delusional. Now watch me take control. I've been running from myself like I'm somebody else. Kinda left me alone. All the love is gone. Now I'm coming around. Got a stake in the ground. Gonna stick it to you. I'm gonna let you go. Let you go. Let you go. Let you go. I'm gonna stick it to you. Let you go. Let you go. Let you go. I'm gonna stick it to you. Breaking free, finally. I paid my dues. Now you play the blues. Bottom line, you're out of time. Now you're gonna learn what it's like to lose. You took something beautiful and made it something cruel. It's all that I get from you. You're so delusional. Now watch me take control. I've been running from myself like I'm somebody else. Kinda left me alone. All the love is gone. Now I'm coming around. Got a stake in the ground. Gonna stick it to you. I'm gonna let you go. Let you go. Let you go. Let you go. I'm gonna stick it to you. Let you go. Let you go. Let you go. I'm gonna stick it to you. Once we had it all. How could you let us fall? I've been running from myself like I'm somebody else. Kinda left me alone. All the love is gone. Now I'm coming around. Got a stake in the ground. Gonna stick it to you. I'm gonna let you go. Let you go. Let you go. Let you go. I'm gonna stick it to you. Let you go. Let you go. Let you go. I'm gonna stick it to you. Let's get some sun, baby. It's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is here
is all the stuff that we are going to be getting rid of. That white trash bag right there has got all of the Thomas the Tank Engine train set in it, and then all the rest is going to be going to either Salvation Army, Goodwill, whichever one I come across first. I have to go out later on today to Walmart and pick up an organization shelf for another video that I'm going to be filming. The only thing that I have left to do is to sweep, vacuum, and move this couch, because I guarantee you there are toys underneath it. So I'm going to enlist the help of Josh to lift this couch up so I can get all the toys from underneath that as well.
Let's hit the club, time to make a move. We got it late, ain't got nothing to prove. I can
So instead of using a couch cover, I literally just take a twin size sheet and put it over the couch cushions in the playroom, and that helps protect the integrity of the couch cushions here. This couch is pretty old and the kids are pretty rough on it, so I just wanted to try and keep it around as long as possible.
Yeah, it's hot. I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with the splash gun so I cool down. Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down. Baby, let me buy you a drink while we're dancing a blink. I could go for some Queen Bee too. Macy's going boom boom. If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's.
So that about wraps it up for this playroom purge. The next step in here is to decorate for Halloween, which is going to be a video coming out very soon. The kids were so excited when I told them that they could decorate for Halloween in here, as long as we got it all nice and clean. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like and a comment, and also subscribe to my channel. It really, really, really does help me out, guys. You have no idea how much it helps me. I have so much more planned for you guys, and I really hope that you join me here again. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.